In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram collab posts if they're not working. First, make sure that you're using the collab feature correctly. Tap on the plus icon to create a new post, select your photo or video, tap on next. Now on the final editing screen, you want to tap on the tag people option. Here tap on invite collaborators. Search for the account that you want to collaborate with, then tap on the invite option. Then publish your post. The other person will receive a collaboration invitation in their notification. They must accept the invite before the post appears on both profiles. If you don't see the invite collaborator option, update Instagram to the latest version. For that, launch open Play Store, then search for Instagram, tap on the update option. You also want to make sure that both accounts are eligible to use the feature. Some accounts may not have access due to account type, region, age restrictions, or gradual feature rollouts. If the invitation isn't working, check that both accounts follow Instagram's community guidelines and don't have any account restrictions. You can verify this by heading over to your profile, tap on the three lines, tap on the search bar, and here type account status. Select this. Check if there is any issue over here. You should also check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try sending the invitation again. If the issue continues, long press the Instagram app, tap on the app info option, scroll down and get to storage, then tap on clear cache. You can also uninstall and reinstall Instagram and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.